Home is where our story begins. Home is the starting place of love, hopes and dreams. And we're here at one such DesignCafe home at Bharatiya City Niku Homes, where the story has just begun for Avinash and Khusboo and their cute little daughter, Avyana. Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to DesignCafe Homes with your interior architect Ananya Jois. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss out on any update. If you couldn't already guess from my backdrop here, we're talking about Bohemian style of interior. Are you wondering what exactly is Boho style? This style is an eclectic mix of colors, textures, patterns and more. Bohemian style is all about something that is relaxed and personal. This style is for your own enjoyment and nobody else's. Sit back and relax while I take you through this laid-back sanctuary of a Bohemian apartment that we've got here. Here, the entry is kept clean, neat and simple. With the shoe rack being outside, we've got this entire wall that we've highlighted with simple ledge, lots of plants and macrame. Well, this shot right here is the very essence of Bohemian style interior. This TV unit is also kept fairly simple in the same style in all white laminate, along with ledge to place some fresh live plants and some artifacts. Avinash and Khusboo really likes fairy lights, so they've gone ahead and added these trickling fairy lights themselves, which looks so adorable and stunning. Well, this dining table setup almost feels like a love affair between contemporary and Bohemian style. It's so simple, unique, yet basic, with this white upholstered leather ottoman for seater. These seaters can easily double up as a living room seater when there are one too many guests. Now, this all white dining table is also an absolute stunner all by itself. I think by now we've all established the fact that there is a dearth for Puja units in every single apartment out there. For this particular reason, we're seeing a lot of modern transitional Puja units becoming all the rage these days. And we have one such Puja unit right here as well. This is done in a nice rose gold aluminium frame with tinted glass. Design tip of the day. Now, in most of our DesignCafe Puja units, you might have seen a CNC panel on either of the sides. This is not just a show element. This is to make sure that there is lots of ventilation when you light your diyas or agarbattis inside and keep your puja door closed. Now, one cannot disagree when I say that this kitchen is such a classy affair. Well, this fully loaded L-shaped kitchen done in acrylic finish is not just a pretty sight for the eyes, but is also extremely functional and easy to clean and maintain. We're here in the master bedroom where the boho theme is continued. Now, this room is drenched in mint and some florals. Now, bright and fresh colors have been used for changeable fabrics like the bedding, cushions, the corner seater and curtains. Now, also adding plants to any space gives it a lot of character and is a breath of fresh air, and that's exactly what we can see here. On this side, we've created a cute little sitting corner. Now, Avinash and Khusboo being a musical family, this corner is great for them to have musical jamming sessions together as a family in evenings. The couple wanted a dedicated his or her wardrobe, and we were able to give them that with this large sliding wardrobe done in acrylic and laminate finish. These colors go very well with their mint wardrobe and also their marble finish bed and bedside table. Now, since both of them have been working at home the past year, they wanted a dedicated study space along with a TV unit. So we went ahead and added it right next to this wardrobe along with lots of book storage for books and also some artifacts. We're here in the bedroom that I'm sure my 6-year-old self would have loved to have. Yes, we're in naughty little Avyana's bedroom. This room is done in soft pastel shades. This large study cum storage unit is great to store lots of books and for her to study. All the handles are so quirky and unique, and all of these have been curated by Avinash himself. On this wall, we have a large wardrobe done in pastel pink and white high gloss laminate. This wardrobe is great for lots and lots of storage. Now for the bed, we have this ultra chic upholstered purple color bed. This bed is great for Avina to grow into even as a teenager. Well, that's everything about the spirit animal of an interior style, Bohemian style. Do let us know in the comment section below if this unconventional, personal, rule-breaking sort of an interior design style is good for you. If you enjoyed this home tour of Khusboo and Avinash, do give us a thumbs up and show us some love. And if you're looking to get your dream home done, don't forget to click the link in the description box and leave all your details for a free design consultation. Until next time, take care. See you all.